Kwabatira kwa namba ya andu aria mari na homa ugwati ya Covid-19 ni kuo gucungiririe thirikari nene undu umwe na cia kaunti guthie na mbere na kwarira mibango itiganite ya kuhitana na gutherema kwa homa ino niguo kugitira miturire ya Kenya. Ni kuumana na haho ino kuonekanite mihang'o yothe bururi-ini ya ikurugamio thiku ciukite itemi-ini ria kuhitana na gutherema kwa homa ino undu uria ucungiririe thirikari ya kaunti ya Naikuru kwambika mubango wa kungania irio cia guthaitira muingi.
Effectively, we have another maybe 3,000-4,000 people who are back at home with no livelihood. So in connection to this, the county government of Nakuru, together with the private sector, will be launching a food or humanitarian support initiative.
Akirekereria ndumiriri ya kamiti ya mwanya ya kuhitana na gutherema kwa homa ino, gavana wa Naikuru Lee Kinyanjui augite megukorwo makirongoreria makiria andu aria moritwo ni mawira mao kuumana na homa ino o udumwe na icagi cia andu aria matehotete.
To start it off as a county, we will also contribute significantly. Our target is to put about 250 million for this particular project to help vulnerable members of the community, and specifically in the slum areas, in the flower growing areas and other sectors that have been rendered redundant.
Makiria ni anirire mari mihang'o-ini ya kwadadura cikaro cia keheri-ini cia arwaru a homa ya Covid-19 udumwe na kuigatarania meciria cikaro-ini icio.
We'll be working with our volunteer councillors to ensure that those who are in isolation do not end up suffering more damage than they already have had.
Na kuumana na ritana ria muthenya wa ira ria minister ugima wa mwiri Mutahikagwe ria gukuruhania kabuni cia guku bururi-ini hari uthondeki wa mask, Governor Lee augite kuri na kabuni 3 kuma kaunti ya Naikuru iri na itanya ria kwanjiriria guthondeka mask ici.
For companies that are in the textile industry, and we hope that very soon within Nakuru we'll be able to strike a deal with some of the companies that are in the textile sector to produce these masks for the larger public within Nakuru and also within Kenya.
Makiriali augite magukorwo magita bunge ya kaunti ikorwo na gikaro niguo kuhitukia budget ya kunyitirira biashara na mikire ya maundu kaunti-ini ino. Akiaria ciegie mukana wa kuma nja utuku, gavana ni uritie muingi guthie na mbere na gutia watho wa thirikari ugi uria unyititwo mbaru ni county commissioner wa Naikuru Erastus Mbui.
Na kila mtu anatakiwa hawe mahali pake pa makazi, na tayari tushaanza kwamba vizuizi barabarani zitakuweko na zimewekwa hivi kwamba kama gari yako iko barabarani na istahili kuwa barabarani kwa wakati huo, itaelekezwa katika sehemu ambazo zimetengwa.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV, jitagwa Muringi wa Ngure.